Welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. If you like this watch and would like to purchase it at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at JazzTime.com. Today, I'll be reviewing the Rolex Datejust 31 in yellow gold with a diamond bezel and dial with a very special red ombre dial. I'll tell you a little about the history of this watch, then I'll tell you about where it stands in the lineup of other similar Datejusts. Then I'll tell you about the case bezel dial bracelet movement. Finally, trying on to give you my thoughts. And I forgot to say that the reference number for this watch is 278288RBR. Okay, let's start just with a little history. Now, the Datejust came out in 1945. It's about 60 years ago, or actually, more like 80 years ago, isn't it? Yeah, 80 years ago. So 80 years ago, it's been out. So it's been out for quite some time. And Rolex as a company has been a little over 100 years. Datejust is their most popular and most famous line. It's a collection that almost everybody recognizes, or at least when you think of a Rolex is what you think of. Now, this one's a little special in that it has this president bracelet, and that's because this one is in precious metal. They only use this type of bracelet. The bracelet that you see here is 3 semicircular links across. They use it in their precious metal Datejusts. Now, the Datejust, why is it called a Datejust? It's because it has the day, just has the date 1 through 31, and it has the time, of course. Okay, and that's the most basic of the timekeeping on a watch, to tell you the time and also 1 through 31. Now, with that said, they made a lot of variations of the Datejust. Now, they start off by doing the variations with different materials. They have steel and rose gold, steel and yellow gold, steel and white gold, then with diamonds. And then when they move to precious metals, they then change the bracelet from just a standard oyster or jubilee to this president that you see here. And then there's modifications from then that you could do, or upgrades, I guess you'd say, from the different dial or the bezel with diamonds, no diamonds, and so on and so forth. Okay, so just to give you an idea, I kind of went into the second section, which is where does this watch stand in the lineup? Well, this is pretty much at the top. Well, actually, it is at the top. First of all, it's a Datejust that is in precious metal. That leaves it in the upper category. And second of all, it has diamonds on top of that. So, and not only diamonds in the dial, but also diamonds on the bezel. So pretty much for the Datejust 31, there's nothing higher than this. It has diamonds and gold. You can't really get a Datejust more expensive than that. So if you really want a Datejust that stands out or at the top of the line, this is like getting your, top of the line Mercedes right here. Okay, with all the bells and whistles. Okay, now with that said, that's where this watch stands in the lineup, which is at the very top. And also, it's a new dial, by the way. As of 2025, Rolex has released this Red Ombre Dial, which I'll get to in just a moment. So let's start talking about the watch itself, starting with the case. The case is 31 millimeters. They make the case of Datejust in 3 different sizes for women: size 28, 31, and 36. 31 being the most common, and for those who have a wrist size of around 5.5 to 6.5 inches, they can comfortably wear a 31 millimeter, no problem. And it's around 11 millimeters thick. It's a very nice size it's going to fit almost everybody. And even women who have a bigger or smaller than wrist, what I just described, most likely they can wear this one too. That's why it's a mid-size. It's configurable to pretty much anybody. Okay. All right. Well, with that said, it's all made out of yellow gold. They make the precious metals out of either yellow gold, white gold, or rose gold. This one's in yellow. Yellow is the most pronounced of all of them. It's the most, the one that really stands out the most. Okay, now moving on here to the bezel. Now you can actually choose this bezel to be in a fluted bezel, or you could choose the upgrade, which is the diamond bezel. And that adds a pretty hefty price tag. As you can imagine, adding diamonds to anything is going to make it a lot more expensive. Now, what is so special about this diamond bezel? Well, aside from it being beautiful stones, as you see, they also have a expert gemologist or gem setter set the diamonds so that the position, orientation, regularity, strength, proportion, etc., are all done exactly correct, so that it leaves a sparkling symphony to enhance the watch and enchant the wearer. That's at least what they read on their website. In layman terms, it just looks amazing. So yeah, that's what the diamond bezel looks like. Not a lot of introduction needed for that, or explanation needed for that. What might need a little bit of explanation is the next part, which is the dial. Now the dial, you can see, is red. They actually call it a red ombre. Why? Because it fades toward black at the periphery. So it's red in the center and it fades to a darker color. And they do this ombre. Ombre has been a really popular dial way that they've been doing things lately. They do it, and almost all the ombre dials have been actually doing at or above list. I mean, list price, that is, because it's more rare, it's more difficult to do, and it's very beautiful. It allows some depth into the dial, as opposed to just being one flat color. It's actually almost like two colors, one color on the periphery and one color in the center, which I think is pretty cool. And this red color, they just released it for 2025, 24 or 25, I can't remember. But anyways, very recently. So it's not a color that's very common. And as you can see, red on yellow really stands out. I mean, it really pops. It makes the watch just look like stunning. So, it's much different from your normal colors. And of course, they have 10 diamonds here, all fashioned with this, or set in this yellow gold at the hour marker. Okay. All right, so that's enough for the dial, and let's look at the bracelet here. The bracelet is a President bracelet. Again, they only make the President bracelet on precious metal, and this one is, it's a beautiful bracelet. The movement here is a 2236 movement. It's a previous, newer than the previous generation. Can't see it anyway, so let's just move on from that. Now, time to try this watch on my wrist and give my thoughts. What are my thoughts? Is that the Rolex is one of the best brands out there. For us, it's the #1 seller. That doesn't mean it's the best brand, but it is a good indication of how the brand is for many reasons. And for ladies, they make the best size, I think, is in 31. It's going to fit almost every woman. And also just the configuration. I mean, having it in red ombre, which is a rare configuration with all diamonds. I mean, if you really want a watch that stands out, this is definitely it. So, yeah. If you'd like to purchase this at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.